Alright guys, 2011 Hyundai Sonata. How to change a cabin filter. This is the filter that gives you the air into the cabin. This is the one that you want to make sure it's clean, changed on time. And this is my friend Andy's brother's car, and he likes to see the videos, you know. We went to a couple of places. I think they didn't do it. His oil was done on time, but it was like a sludge, so we don't know if they did it. So all right, we're gonna go back a little bit. We forgot. So there's got little two turning things on each side here. See the hole over there? You turn those and the glove box comes down. And this is the one here. He's gonna show you again. You just twist it. He's gonna show you, just twist it. So all you do is you twist that on both sides. This is like a little screws, and then the glove box comes down. Then you have the tray inside. All right, this tray has a little clip just like that one he's squeezing, and then the other side it just comes out. And we're gonna pull out this filter slowly. It got some kind of beans on the top. We don't want to drop that inside the blower motor. All right, slowly, right? This was never done, all right? If you drop those beans in the motor, it's gonna make a noise. Then we're gonna have to pull out the blower motor, get the beans out. Probably where the squirrel was in here. These are new. If you drop it, it's alright. We got no other option.
Change.
Alright. Show me the cabin filter real quick. This is the cabin filter. Look how disgusting is that. That's what you're breathing into, you know. So if you have a Hyundai Sonata, just make sure you do it. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the filter and we're gonna put the filter in. It's in there. If something fell in there, it's inside the motor already. Nothing you can do. Alright guys, here's a new cabin filter. Make sure you follow this airflow sign, which is facing down. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this cabin filter in there. All you do is you take this filter, you slide it in there. I wanna help him a little bit. I'm gonna probably hold the glove box for him.
Okay.
Make sure you get even on both sides. Little by little, you just push it in slowly. The sides are like a little harder than the middle, and you can use that to push it in. And that's it. And now we're gonna take the tray. We're gonna put the tray in there. This is the lid, the cover, whatever you want to call it. And make sure you lock this in. There you go, just like that. Then you push the glove box up. And you put in the little screws on the side. That's what holds the glove box in place. If you don't put this in, the glove box is just gonna fall, alright? And that's it. That's how you change a cabinet filter. Alright, we're gonna do one thing. I know we dropped something in there. Let's put the motor on. Let's see if it makes noise. Alright, so I think we didn't drop anything. There's no noise. We're putting this motor on. We're good. Alright, that's it. We're done. That's how you change a cabin filter. Just wanted to double check that.